In our last video, we took you on a tour on the #1 most visited national park in Croatia. Drawing more than 1 million visitors every year, today we will explore the second most visited. With 7 gorgeous waterfalls, we promise you won't want to miss coming here. Is this park worth visiting?
Oh, it is coming.
We start our adventure today
At the Krka National Park.
Come join us.
And let's have some fun.
Yes. People normally just go there by walking and riding the boats, and we decided to be active today.
On your left.
Yeah.
Thank you. After 10 minutes being terrified, we finally got off the main road. This time, we found ourselves on a charming road surrounded by nature. For bike lovers, Krka has 388 kilometers of bike routes, but we chose to ride only 5 of them. That's all it takes to get here, to the most known site of the park, Skradinski Buk. The scenery speaks for itself.
It is simply stunning.
Up to recent years, you were allowed to swim by these waterfalls. Due to preservation of the ecosystems, this was banned, which means that we had to find a different place where we could cool off.
The ride back was a bit more challenging.
After returning the bicycles, we took off to 25 minutes car ride. Now we're up to our second point of this beautiful park called
Roski Slap. I hope I said it right.
Entrance is included with your ticket if you go on the same day. You can climb to a viewpoint, or climb to a cave, or you can easily search for a spot to cool off by the calm lake. Relax under the shade of trees, dip your feet.
I'm scared. Oh!
There are restaurants, water mills, and cultural displays. You can easily spend the day just exploring this peaceful area.
30 minutes further into the park is another famous waterfall. We actually failed to find it by hiking, but thanks to the drone we were able to take these shots. On our way back, we had a quick stop to enjoy the view of this unique island. From there, we drove straight back to Skradin, which is the nearest town to the park.
Has very little population, and a lot of people actually skip this area because they don't know any better. But if you know, it's a hidden little gem.
So in this lovely restaurant called the Zlatne Skoljke.
Zlatne Skoljke.
And what we love about is that
You can pick from the menu, or you can pick the fish that you want to order,
This is the bus, this is the water.
and they will grill and cook it for you.
can't wait that fish to be ready. You eat the whole fish.
No! He likes the head.
Because of the head, it's a little bit crunchy, but the meat is super soft, a little bit salty taste, and the lemon it doesn't have any like just gives the final taste.
So where is the best sardines you've ever had?
Here?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I ordered for appetizer some carpaccio salad, little thin slices of white fish, Still fresh, it's cold. I can see his fork trying to dig in already.
It melts in your mouth. It's really a hidden gem.
Izvolite, dobar tek.
Our main dish, which is Dora fish. It's got like a meaty taste. It's flaky. It has that kind of texture that it has some leanness to it. It's good.
2 minutes later.
Smash. Like, how you gonna smash that like button?
In our opinion, this park is underrated. With only 1 hour drive from Split or Zadar, being accessible by hiking, biking, boat or car, this park is appealing to more people.
We only had a day to visit, but highly recommend at least 2 or 3 days to really explore its beauty. It was less crowded and we love how relaxed everything was. So yes, this place is a 100% must visit.
Oh yeah, almost forgot. No swans were harmed in the making of this film. No, be nice. He lived happily ever after.